So the process of changing the hinges from slamming type. This is not the soft closure type. Yeah, it's stuck there. So it's quite some time. So just change it. So what I did is that I took out one, and after that go to the hardware store to make sure that it should be more or less similar size. The hole size might be a little bit different. One thing good about this hinge is that it comes with soft closure, adjustable in, out, up, down. So the key here is actually to get it aligned straight as much as you can. So just show you a typical one, very quick way to change every single one of them. So my favorite battery drill. Save a lot of effort. Key here is not to drill too fast or drill too slow. Good thing about other products is that they can control your speed based on the sensitivity of how you press. So you can want it fast. It's up to you. So get the right size. Screw head so that you will not blunt the screw. And what I also did is that this looks like a good fit. What I did is also I bought some screws, exactly screws for this. Yeah, this fits better. So use this head, unscrew. So look at the rust here. So your chances of break off. So try not to use this. I bought another set of screws. Just quick one. So quick way of using the drill is you want to start off slow. Find the spot where it locks it in. Push in tight. Start slow to unlock. Drill out fast when you're confident. So just very quickly. So this is a 3-hinge cabinet. 3-hinge cabinet. So all I need to do is just take out one first. Make sure the door doesn't collapse or drop. Yeah. So out it goes. So this is about 20 years, 30 years. So I mentioned I got the newer screws with the hinge. So very quickly, if you have a magnetic drill bit, it will be better. So hold it in position first. So make sure you get the position straight and don't screw in too tight. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make sure the whole door is straight. I'm going to screw in the other side, which has the drill mark. Not too tight. And start screwing in the rest. So there's a chance whereby the hole might be a little bit bigger. So all you need to do is just put in the matchstick. So the thing about the battery drill is that you notice that this has a drill mark. So when this drill mark is in place, right, it goes non-stop going in. So sometimes you want to be careful based on the number of thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is about 10. So if I set to 10, it should stop somewhere around there. So let me demonstrate. Stop. So 10 thread. Tighten. Don't don't constantly drill at the final bit, because when you constantly do that, you just keep on threading out all the wood. Then that's the time where you really need to win the matchstick. So yeah, one done. And really seeing the effect of soft closure. So just a quick check, make sure that it's aligned straight. So in this case, because I'm doing a straight one-to-one replacement, I need not align anything. So as long as I take to the center. So let me finish off with the rest. Use a smaller screw over on this side. So usually for the center hinge, need not secure too tight. It's a little bit loose. It's not the main hinge that's supporting the door, but it has some leverage. But what we're going to do now is we want to make sure that this is the height that's previously drilled, and it's not stopping and not creating a warp in the center part. So very quickly, put this in, prep your drill, find the hole. Don't secure too tight first. Second one, go for the next one, the next hole on the door. So in this case, it's supported. Just I mentioned about the 10. Check out the thread line. So 10, yeah. More than that, because it's not biting onto the wood. Check out the other one. Stop at 10. Perfect. So just quickly show you how the door actually moves. So if I were to thread this in, this door goes closer to that. This hinge goes nearer to the cabinet. Now if I push it out, that means I drill the other direction. Notice that this door is actually slowly pulling out. So like I mentioned, this is the center one. So center hinge, we don't want to give it too much of a force, so we try to level it the same line. Of course, that will be the same for all. This actually moves in and out. So strong. See, it moves out, right? Let me go slower. So depends how much you want to move. So the more you move, notice that it changes. So in this case, I want to make sure that I can see the gap, follow the line. The other one I just show you, it goes up and down. So this moves the hinge up and down. Might not be that clear over here, but again, this is the center hinge. It's not so obvious.